హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ప్రదీప్ దేవసరి. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ యాక్ట్రెస్ సోనాక్షి వర్మ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఆమెతో మాట్లాడి చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే.
నమస్తే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
సూపర్, తెలుగు కూడా బాగా వచ్చింది. నేను ఎంత కష్టపడాలో అనుకున్నాను. చాలా బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. సో
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మాలూమ్ అవుతానా జో మే తెలుగు
చెప్పండి.
ఓహో, చాలా ఇంకొస్తుందా? ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఎప్పుడు వచ్చారు? అసలు మీకు తెలుగుకి రావడానికి కారణం ఏంటి?
సో ఫస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను 2016లో ఒక యాడ్ షూట్కి వచ్చిన తెలుగు హైదరాబాద్లో. బట్ బేసికలీ ఐ వాజ్ బేస్డ్ ఇన్ ముంబై దట్ టైమ్. సో yeah, then I got my first offer in my school days in 2007 actually. So that's a very long story. So after that, somehow the passion never dies, you know. So I continued, I finished my graduation, post graduation, I started working in Infosys, then I moved to Mumbai. I was working in Wipro Technologies, and then somehow I landed into this field and I got ad, and then I started getting movie offers and I started doing movies, web series, then I did few projects.
చాలా వరకు అమ్మాయిలని మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీ పంపించాలంటే భయపడతారు. సో మీరు దాన్ని ఏ విధంగా ఇంట్లో ఒప్పించారు? ఏ విధంగా?
So my family is actually a very broad family, and they are not, I can say my dad was in army, okay, my dad was officer in army, my mom was a teacher, and they taught me like be fierce, be great, and don't get scared. So they taught me and they made me like a fighter. So I'm a fierceful fighter just like my parents. So yeah, so they never mind, they always supported me, so I always got the support from my parents.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫీల్డ్లో మీరు ఎదుర్కొన్న స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఏంది? ఏ విధంగా ఫేస్ చేశారు?
Struggles untadi, everybody has their own struggle story, right? So everybody faces some or the other thing, you know, right? But I believe industry is not always giving you challenges, though it is very tough to make something big in this industry, because we are like 1.38 billion people all over world. India has this much big population, okay? So it's really hard to make it, and but it's not impossible, I can say. So you have to just keep on continue doing what exactly you want to do, and never give up. Struggles though you will definitely face. There are a lot of hurdles, definitely, right? Sometimes you get a lot of rejections, people make fun of your like looks sometimes. Sometimes people said ki, why do you have curly hair? Because some people, like 60% people like my curly hair, but there are 40% people who said, why do you have curly hair, just go for the straightening, which I did like very long back. I did the straightening too, but I thought let's be natural in front of people, and let's go for the passion, and let's see how people will respond. So I think it's good. I got a lot of good people from the industry who encouraged me, who supported me, and who gave me good projects, good roles, and I still have 4 movies as a main lead to go in theaters. So I hope for the best. Let's see.
Nice. And beauty ante exposing up, is that beauty means exposing?
Not at all. But being an actor, I think exposing is not wrong. You have to be bold, you have to be homely, and at the same time you have to carry yourself in front of the audience like that way, right? Like bold, if you are doing some bold character, that is not bad. We are actors and we have to realize that it's acting. We are acting in front of the camera. We are actually not like that in real life. We are just doing it in front of the camera. So yes, bold is not bad, and exposing is not beautiful, but exposing is also not wrong. So I feel it's good both ways.
Nice definition. And
Thank
What
you.
about the nepotism? Is there any nepotism?
It does exist.
Did you face
Because so I can't say I faced it, but I have seen lot because I was based in Mumbai, and I have seen a lot. Okay, so I have experienced there are a lot of people who are not from the industry and who are an outsider. It's really hard for an outsider to make big in this industry, right?
Right.
And but it is really easy for the people who belong to the film industry and who are from the family of like big actors or whatever. I
Yeah.
don't want to
name them?
mention everything.
Yeah.
People know
Yeah.
everything, right? But yeah, but not everybody can make it
Yeah.
in that family too. There are a lot of big people, big artists. They were like very famous at their time, but their kids are nowhere in the industry. It's just the hardworking people who can make it and who are strong enough, who can just strongly decide ki yes, we need to do it.
Yeah.
They only can reach to their goals. That's what I believe.
Nice.
So nepotism is still there, but it doesn't mean that you can't make it. There are a lot of big actresses like Deepika Padukone, Anushka Shetty, Savitri Garu. They were not from the film industry, right? They were like nowhere. They came from very small background, from an outside. They were outsider, but they made big. So yeah.
Yeah, and one more question regarding the casting couch.
Oh.
Is that still exist?
I would say it was there. It may be happening in the industry, which I don't know, but there are a lot of people who are not encouraging this, and I feel industry is changing. It's not like you come and you sleep with me and then you will get work. No, it's not like that. It didn't happen that way, frankly speaking. Don't believe in this.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people, but I would say that industry is changing, and it is not that much in this
What would
field.
you suggest if the newcomer in the industry who came and if they faced with this casting couch, what are the steps to be taken from them, and would they like to believe that?
I will say that they should not believe anyone. But there are few people who will definitely give you chance, that like how I got chance. I'm working in this movie. I'm working as a lead, one of the lead in this movie, and that's how you will make. You have to just work on your craft, which is very important, because you can't come in front of camera and you don't even know how to act. That doesn't help,
Yeah.
right? You don't even know the language. You should learn the language, which is very important, because I learned it. So, నాకు తెలుగు వచ్చండి.
బాగొచ్చు.
సో నేర్చుకున్నాను నేను యాక్చువల్లీ. సో యా, యూ హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ ద క్రాఫ్ట్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బిలీవ్ యువర్ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్, ఎస్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ వర్క్, అండ్ కీప్ ఆన్ ఆడిషనింగ్, కీప్ ఆన్ మీటింగ్ పీపుల్, గో ఫర్ ద ఆడిషన్స్ అండ్ మీట్ పీపుల్, అండ్ దట్స్ హౌ యుల్ గెట్ ద
Super.
గుడ్ వర్క్.
థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ అడ్వైస్. అండ్ తెలుగులో మీరు నేర్చుకున్న కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ చెప్పండి.
ఏం చెప్పాలి చెప్పండి.
నార్మల్గా మీరు బాగా అంటే నేర్చుకునే టైంలో చేసిన మిస్టేక్స్, వేరే వాళ్ళు నవ్విన సన్నరు వాళ్ళు.
అరే చాలా ఉంది యాక్చువల్లీ, చాలా సీన్స్ కూడా ఉంది
చెప్పండి.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ డోంట్ రిమెంబర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, బట్ చాలా సీన్స్ ఉంది వేర్ ఐ మేడ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, అండ్ ఐ యూస్ టు ఫీల్ రియలీ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ దట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో దట్.
ఏదైనా ఒక సీన్ గుర్తుందా? ఓకే.
No, it is so long actually. In 2000, yeah, I remember this ad. I was doing this ad with Rajendra Prasad Garu and Sitara Garu, a Peram Group ad. So there I didn't know anything. I didn't know a single word of Telugu. So, but I memorized all the lines and all. I was not scared. My partner was scared actually, because he knew who they were and all. And I was meeting them for the first time. So I was like, okay, not nervous, but I was like, okay, how should I act, because they are like so experienced people, and but it happened, and yeah, it happened. People helped me. There were ADs who were helping me a lot in memorizing the lines and how to pronounce
ఏం
it and all.
మిస్టేక్ చేశారు?
I don't remember the words actually, frankly speaking, otherwise I would have told you. I actually don't remember, but I said a lot of wrong words. It's like bad, like butalo ho gaya. Instead of good, it became bad.
ఒక సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పు.
No, not in front of camera.
ఓకే, మీకు కష్టమైన తెలుగు వర్డ్ ఏంటి?
Oh my god, is కష్టమైన తెలుగు వర్డ్ లైక్ ఇరికించాలి, irkinchavu, these kind of words, like it's like pretty difficult to memorize and all, but yeah, I do that.
Okay, thank you so much and giving valuable time. And what
Thank
about
you,
the
thank
interview?
you.
How do you feel?
I think it's really great. I literally have fun in very few minutes, really, and you are like very good anchor. I will say you should keep on doing.
Thank you so
So
much.
you are very amazing. You made me laugh. I hope I made you laugh too.
Yeah, definitely.
So it
Everyone
was
would love it.
amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, and I literally enjoyed it. I loved it.
సో చూసారా ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోపై మీ అభిప్రాయాన్ని కింద కమెంట్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అండ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.